At the Zoom session, when it's time for the addition practice problem activity, send the Google Slide link to your students through the chat box and give directions. Next, put students in breakout rooms. I am going to rename the breakout rooms to correspond with the slides to make it easier for the teams to know which slide to work on. The Apple team and Team Banana. Open all rooms. Give the students 10 to 15 minutes to work on the problem. When it's time to bring back everyone into the main room, click Close All Rooms. Now that everyone is back in the main room, exit out of that breakout room window, and in addition, don't forget to share your screen and pull up the PowerPoint slide that they have been working on. This way, Team Apple can go over every single addition problem they worked on, how they solved it, the solution they got, and then Team Banana can do the same, thus allowing your students to work in team, to collaborate, and to teach one another in your Zoom session.